Alright, so this is just an easy way to strum the chords for Save Your Tears by The Weeknd and Ariana Grande. So this one, we just need a C chord, A minor, E minor, G. Now there's one other section where you need a D minor and an F chord. I'll show you those. So to start with the C chord, you just index finger first fret of B, middle finger second fret of D, ring finger third fret of A. And the strum pattern I was using was just very simple: down, down, up, up, down, up. One more time, a little slower. Down, down, up, down, up. So you're going to go to A minor, so just hop your ring finger. Now for E minor, what I was doing was just leave middle finger where it is on that second fret of the D, add your index finger second fret of the A, and then now to go to G, leave your index finger where it is, hop middle finger up to third fret of low E, ring finger third fret of B, pinky third fret of high E. And there you have most of the song right there. That going on through most of the song. Now at the very intro, you're going to hang on the C. And then go into it. If that makes sense. So that's the intro, the verse. Now the little pre-chorus thing that you're hearing, it goes to a D minor. So you'll be finishing up a verse. Now right here, your ring finger is on the third fret of the B because you're in that G chord. So ring finger stays where it is on third fret of the B, index finger comes down to first fret of the high E, middle finger second fret of the G. So that's D minor. Then you're going to go to A minor. Then you're going to go to F. So to get to F, I just leave index finger where it is, first fret of B, add middle finger down here, second fret of G, ring finger third fret of A, pinky third fret of D. And I kind of leave the high E open. And then you're going to go to G. So on The Weeknd's pre-chorus, it just does that once. And that brings you into the chorus, alright? So that big whole note strum on the C is the Save Your Tears. Then you go to A minor, for another day. Then you're back into the strumming. Then back into another verse. So then you go through that again, and I believe on Ariana's verse, it's going to do that D minor part twice. So it'll repeat. Then chorus. Right? Okay, so then there's also a little bridge thing. So what I was doing for that, just follow the verse chords, but do basic arpeggiation. So you would just go, or sorry. that's what I was doing for that little, you kind of hear like a keyboard doing some arpeggiation. So I was just doing that on the guitar. But that should be all the pieces to the puzzle. So go ahead, practice that. Let me know how it goes. Hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.